Want to make the most out of Apple Maps for navigating and discovery? In this video I'll guide you through the key features and tips to become an Apple Maps Pro. It's pre-installed on all iOS devices and is designed to work optimally within the Apple ecosystem. Tap the search bar and type in a location or a keyword. For example, a cafe. Scroll through the results to view details like photos, reviews, and hours. Click on where you want to go. Then simply click on the directions button. From here select your mode of transport, either by car, walking, public transport, or biking. If you're using the driving options, you can also click on the add stop button to add a stop on your way there. Once you add a stop, you can rearrange them to see where you're going to go first. You can switch to 3D mode for detailed building views, or AR for step-by-step walking directions. With AR, you can scan buildings around the street to see your exact location. If you have a spot where you go to frequently, you can add it to your list by clicking on the plus icon. You can also share this location with friends by clicking on the share icon. By viewing roads, you can see the amount of traffic highlighted in different colors. You can also switch your view from Explore to Drive to Public Transport to Satellite, which all have different benefits like showing the public transport routes or showing you how a location looks. You can preload routes to save them for offline navigation. And if you're driving, ask Siri for directions for hands-free navigation. If Apple Maps is not showing correct routes or details, ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS version and report any discrepancies using the Report an Issue feature. Enable low power mode or use a car charger if your battery is draining severely while using the navigation features.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.